Okay, Assalamualaikum. So, chapter 2 adalah chapter of probability and countings. Um, this chapter will be the first chapter that will be evaluate in your assessment nanti. Okay, so first of all, I will explain a little bit about the counting principle before we go to the permutation and combination, and after that the probability. So first of all, you need to fahamkan betul-betul the fundamental of the counting principle before we can solve the problem that involving the permutation and combination. So, the words permutation and combination ni, you are familiar before this in your previous lesson, maybe in matrix or secondary school. Okay, so what is the fundamental of the counting principle? Okay, this is the theorem of the counting principle. Okay, if there are n items and m ways to choose a first item and m2 ways to choose a second item, after the first item has been chosen, and let's say we have m3 ways to choose the third item after the second item has been chosen, and so on. So macam mana kita nak tahu, nak kira dia punya how many ways that can be choose, that the item can be choose? It will be m1 ways tadi multiply dengan m2 ways multiply dengan m3 ways, sehinggalah you need to multiply all the number of ways that to choose the items. Okay, so to choose the n items. Okay, that is the counting principle. You just multiply the number of ways to choose the n items. Okay, for example, to make a yogurt perfect, you choose one flavor of yogurt, one fruit topping and one nut topping. Okay, so nak buat yogurt kena pilih each of this dia punya flavor, fruit dan juga nut. Okay, you kena pilih the three topping. Okay, so how many perfect choices are there? So berapa banyak, how many ways that the choices can be made? So a flavor akan ada two ways to choose the flavor. We have 5 ways to choose the fruits topping, and we have 3 ways to choose the nuts topping. Okay, so altogether how many choices can be made to make a yogurt perfect? So it will be 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. This is the counting principle. So we have 30 ways of choices to make the yogurt. Okay, so 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. So let's say another example. A password for a site consists of 4 digits followed by 2 letters. So semua sekali akan ada 6 lah, 4 digits and 2 letters. Password tu akan ada 6 karakter, 4 digit and 2 letters. The letters A and Z are not used, so tak termasuk A dan Z, and each digit or letter may be used more than once. Okay, boleh digunakan lebih dari satu. Maksudnya kalau the first password tu gunakan B, gunakan number 0, the second password can be also use the number 0. Maksudnya kat sini boleh replacement ataupun replication. So how many unique password are possible? Okay, berapa banyak, how many ways that can be the possible password that can be made. Alright. So dia kata ada 4 digit dan 2 letters. So semua sekali ada 6. So because of that, Okay, the first digit dekat sini adalah 10. Kenapa 10? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, semuanya ada 10 digit. So, the possibility 10 digit will be the first letter of ataupun the first character of the password. The second digit also can be 10. Kenapa? Sebab tadi boleh replacement ataupun boleh replication. So kalau kat sini nombor password dia bermula dengan 1, yang kedua ni boleh masuk balik 1 tu. Number 1 can be the characteristic here. Okay, yang kedua pun boleh. Yang ketiga pun will be 10. Yang keempat will be 10 sebab ada 4 digits, kan? 4 digits ada 4 number. So 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. Kenapa semua 10 dekat situ? Sebab boleh replacement ataupun can be replication. Okey, yang kelima dia kata dua lagi adalah letters. Letters tak termasuk without A and Z. So altogether A until Z adalah 26 letters. Without A and Z will be 24. And then the last one will be also 24 because of boleh replicate. So it will be 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 24 multiply 24. Semua sekali kat sini ada 6 character. Sebab tadi ada 4 digit and 2 letters. So altogether it will be 5760 000 possible password can be made. Okay. Alright. That is the counting rules. Okay, let's see the other example. A make your own adventure story lets you choose 6 starting points. Give 4 plot choices and then have 5 possible endings. How many adventures are there? Okay, so we can use the counting principle to know how many ways of adventure are there. So it will be 6 multiply 4 multiply 5 altogether. We can create 120 adventures. Okay, the other example, a password is 4 letters followed by 1 digit. So semua sekali ada 5 karakter. 4 letters and 1 digit. Uppercase letter and lowercase letter may be used and are considered different. Okay, uppercase and lowercase boleh guna dua-dua. Okay, how many password are possible? Okay, so for this example, we will have 5 character to create the password. And then dia kata the first four character adalah letters. Will include uppercase and lowercase. So because of that, there are 52 possible letter choices for the first 4 character. Because of that, kat sini 52, 52, 52, 52. Okay. Kenapa dia sama 52, kat sini 52 juga? Because of replication, replacement can be made. And then the last kali adalah 1 digit 10 because of 0 to 9. So we multiply, we apply the the counting process. So we just multiply the value. Then you will get 73116 160 possible password.